everyone, it's me, Peter Films, and today I'm here with the Nerf Strongarm minigun I got for Christmas. So without further ado, let's get started. Last time when I opened up such a toy, I made the mistake of cutting it right here and I actually scratched the gun, but this time I'm not making that mistake again. You have to learn from your own mistakes. Oh, we have got another one just right there. It is a bit hard to cut. It is strong, this material. So here it is. Here is the main part, but let's put that away for a second. And then we have 6 darts here at the bottom. Let's pour them out. So here is everything you get with this gun, other than the little paper, which I'm not gonna show because it is unnecessary. But yeah, let's go out and test it, shall we? So the way you load it up is by pressing this button and pushing out the barrel, which, as you saw, rotates really nicely, and then you load up all 6 of the darts, just like this, and you gotta check if they are all pushed in all the way, because otherwise it doesn't work. And then push the barrel back, and finally you have to pull this up, which when you pull it up all the way goes back by itself, which is really nice. And then just shoot. Really nice. And I am gonna show you one more little trick. So the trick is you hold the trigger down and just pull this part back and let it go, and back and let it go. So this is it. This trick is really nice if you have a locked target, but well, otherwise it doesn't really work out because you have to pay attention where you shoot. But anyways, let's get back to the room. So this is it, the review of the Nerf Strongarm minigun styled gun. I still don't know how to call it, but anyways, I hope you guys all enjoyed. Positive feedback is always appreciated, and I will see you all later. So have a nice day and goodbye.